Hare Krishna. Good morning, everyone. Be an agent of positive change. When we face challenges, especially challenges coming from external sources, which are out of our control and where we really do not have anything much to do, or where we actually have absolutely no control, it can impress upon us that nothing can change. So thereby it can lead to not acting even on things that which we can change and which are in our control. So that is not good. So we become a part of the problem and not the solution. Once a person went to God and said, God, there are so many problems in life. There are so many miseries in the world. Why don't you do something? Don't you say in the scriptures that you will come or you will send someone to rectify? And suddenly he heard a rumbling sound. He looked around, but he could find no one. And then a very deep, grave voice came out. And that's when, which said, I am God, and I have already sent someone. So this person was perplexed and he started asking, oh God, where can I find this person? And God said, I have sent you to be a part of the solution and I will help you. So most often people, they very easily curse the darkness, which is futile. But it is far more productive to light a candle. The candle is small and cannot remove all the darkness, but it can create light in its vicinity, and others can come and light their candles and spread light more and more. Most major reformations or revolutions in the world started with small group of committed people. The history says that it is the minority which is creative, innovative and transformational. The majority is mostly passive, just going along with the flow of things. That is why it is rightly said, some people make things happen. Some people watch things happen. And some people wonder what happened. So when we hear the messages of wisdom, our own cynical mind can pass judgments and dismissive comments about positive and transformational ideas that we get. And we can listen to our cynical mind and can downplay, deride and dismiss them. But that only continues the problem. So when there is cancer in the body and the cancerous cells are growing, there can be a violent invasive surgery by which the cells can be removed. Even if cells are removed, the healthy cells should grow. And to that extent, there is a chance of recovery. Without the healthy cells growing, the chance of recovery is less. So similarly, there is much that is wrong in the society, and elements contributing to the wrongs are many. But there has to be some strong affirmative actions which are required to control these negative elements which are degenerated to extreme perversity. People who are going on wrong paths, they actually can choose to be on a right path only when they see examples of people who are striving to move on right paths. So it takes courage to stand up and speak, but it also takes courage to sit down and hear and contemplate on what is right and what is wrong. So when there are deliberations on deeper issues, we need both kinds of courage to take a stand publicly and individually in our own lives. So, when we hear the wisdom, we need to use it. Each one of us can become a small but significant agent of change and contribute to making a better society and a better world. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.